Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can translate a chat in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. When you have a message from your friend, you can automatically translate it. You can click on translate dialogue here. Okay, and you will automatically get the translation. And I'm going to reply to this friend first. And again, if you want to translate it, just activate the translate dialog here and then you can see the translation. Okay, just like this. Okay, done. And okay guys, that's how you can translate a message in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.